Jack Kirogo and Associates. My name is Ellen Simon, and today I'll be taking you through the revisions that have happened on the statutory deductions that we have in Kenya. Which are the statutory deductions? Statutory deductions, we have pay as you earn. We have the SHA deductions, which replace the NHIF. We have the NSSF. We have the NITA levy, and we also have the housing levy. To begin with, we have the pay as you earn. Pay as you earn, it is a deduction that is done from the employee's income by the employer, and the employer does the filing and remits the deduction to the Kenya Revenue Authority. The deduction should be done on or before the 9th of every month. The filing should also be done within the same period, and also the payment should also be done within the same period. Pay as you earn, upon late filing, you'll have 25% of the principal as the penalty, or 10,000, whichever is high. Also, upon late filing, you'll have 5% of the principal as the penalty. Also, we have an interest of 1%, which is a compounded interest upon the late payment too. And if you want to know more about pay as you earn and the changes that have happened to the template, feel free to contact us through the contacts that will be running down this video. I will also add that while filing for the pay as you earn, you also know that we are doing the remittance of the housing levy, which was introduced recently, and housing levy is done at 1.5% the employee and also 1.5% the employer. So this is both the employer and the employee should contribute. We also have NITA levy that you also file while you are filing for payee. And NITA levy, the employer does the payment, that is charged 50 shillings per employee. We also have the Social Health Authority. This is SHA. It was introduced recently, whereby it replaced the NHIF that we used to have initially. SHA, we did our first remittance using the October payroll that we did last year, 2024. And SHA, it is done, we are using a percentage whereby it is 2.75% of the employee's income. And remember, these deductions are done by the employer from the employee's income, and the employer does the remittance. Also to add, SHA, every Kenyan should register, and both the individuals that are employed and the ones who are not employed, it is mandatory for every Kenyan, since this is an health cover that will help all of us. So if you are an individual out there and you have not registered for your SHA, either an individual or a company, feel free to contact us using the contacts running down this video, and we'll be there to help you. SHA is done on or before the 9th of every month. The employer should have done the filing and also done the payment. To continue with, we have the NSSF. NSSF, it is a pension scheme that we have in Kenya, whereby initially, if you remember, initially it was 200 for the employer, 200 for the employee, but now it is being calculated using the tier form, whereby we have tier 1 and tier 2. Tier 1, it has been revised, whereby initially we had running it from 0 to 7,000, but now it has risen from 0 to 8,000. And also remember, NSSF, the employer does an equal contribution as the employee. So for instance, if in tier 1 now it is 480 shillings, so the employer will contribute 480 shillings and also deduct 480 shillings from the employee's income, same as tier 2. Therefore, all these statutory deductions, a revision has occurred, and just to add on, you need to seek clarity from an expert or someone who has the knowledge about them. So if you need to learn more about the statutory deductions, feel free to reach us, feel free to contact us, we'll be there to help you. Also, if you want to outsource these services, maybe you are an organization, you don't have a full-time accountant, or you don't know how to go about these statutory deductions, You can outsource the services from us, and we'll be there to advise you and to do all the statutory deductions on time, and ensure that you don't incur an extra cost of penalties or the interest accruing on you. Therefore, I conclude by saying compliance is cheaper. So I urge all of us, you can contact us if you want to be compliant with the revenue authorities or with the bodies that are set for us in Kenya. You want to be compliant, feel free to reach us through our contacts or our emails. And if you want to learn more about the statutory deduction, we have a video we did previously. You can go to our YouTube channel and watch it. We have the differences between the NSSF and the SHIF. We also have a detailed video about the taxation that we have in Kenya. We have so many videos that you can watch and learn from them. Feel free, visit our YouTube channel and learn more. Thank you.